Hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing this protective headrest recliner cover with you. Your headrest recliner cover comes in multiple colors. I chose this beautiful lush leather look that's called chocolate, and it really does have that chocolate color. It's like a dark brown, and attaching these to the back of your chair could not be easier. It comes with these adhesive sticky pads. So what you have to do is pull the adhesive off like this and stick these along the back like this. I'm gonna do all three, one, and then I'll do one in the middle and one on the end. Now I have all of them on the back like this. All I need to do now is rip these white pieces off, and they will also be adhesive and they can cling to the back of the chair. So this is my recliner, and I chose the chocolate color for it because it matches my couch and I thought it would be a nice contrast. As you can see, the backs of recliners seem to take a lot of hits, whether it's your animals, your children, or people sitting their head against here with their hair products can actually fade that area as well. So there are many reasons why you could use one of these. So I'm going to simply peel the backs off of these and then stick it to the back of this when I drape it over. So I'm just gonna take these and unpeel them one by one like this. And once I've unpeeled all these, I drape this over and I find the length that I want and I stick that to that so it will stay. And now it looks really nice. It's a good match with my couch. I like the contrast, and I don't have to worry about unsightly blemishes showing on my chair anymore. It stayed securely in place. All I had to do was peel off the backs of those stickers and hold and press and hold. No more worrying about my cat destroying the back of my recliner or my children marking it up. It is protected and it's a nice quality leather fabric. Your cover also comes with another option aside from the stickies, and even though they work best for my needs, you might find that these pins work best for your needs. So you have that option as well, and all you have to do is push this little button here and they come out and then they can reattach like this.